Si Oppo, merong bagong AI phone. Unlike before, nasa mid-range na siya with this device, the OPPO Reno12 5G. Tara, unbox natin. As usual, it arrived in a classic silver box. Inside, you get the handset itself. Yung phone na to comes with pre-installed screen protector na ayos. Moreover, meron pa siyang free case na kasama. Mukhang Rimowa inspired. Tapos, you get the paper documents. Tabi lang natin yan. SIM ejector tool, data and charging cable, and ayun, may power brick pang kasama sa package. Guys, 80 watts super VOOC pa to. Safe and super fast. Yung isa sa mga bagay na proud si Oppo here is this device is stylish and super durable at the same time. Meron siyang all-around armor tech. Sabi ni Oppo, may anti-aging, pressure resistance, and splash proofing din to. IP65 yung rating in particular. Yung display, Gorilla Glass 7i pa. Hindi basta-bastang may scratch or basag. May mga special materials din silang ginamit dito to prevent dents and bending. May shock absorption pa. Design pang matagalan. In terms of design, mas simple siya this time. Pero classy for me. Yung unit ko is matte brown, pero available din siya in sunset pink and astro silver colorways. Meron din siyang AI Link Boost technology using its 360-degree surround antenna to ensure robust connectivity even in challenging conditions. Kahit nasa elevator ka pa or areas with madaming tao, pwede ka pa rin makakuha ng matinong connection. May beacon link tech din siya, allowing device-to-device voice calls via Bluetooth up to 200 meters kahit wala kang internet or service connection. Moreover, meron tong AI that can easily remove unwanted objects in the background. Very useful to if you want sarili mo lang ang maha-highlight mo. May AI studio pa with creative filters na I find very cool. Happy din pala ako sa camera output niya so far Take a look. And yes, sobrang tagal ng battery ng phone na to. May fast charging pa. In the Philippines, this device retails for just 24,999 pesos. May pre-order freebies pa. Yung pre-order hanggang July 18 this Friday. To know more about it, visit www.gizguide.com.